Welcome to Session 36 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study logarithmic properties. The focus is to expand, condense, and evaluate logarithmic expressions using product, quotient, and power properties. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Expand logs using product, quotient, and power properties. 2. Condense several logs into one expression. 3. Avoid applying log properties to sums inside a logarithm. Logarithm properties come from exponent rules. They are powerful, but only when the inside operation is multiplication, division, or a power. They do not turn sums inside logarithms into sums outside logarithms. Expand log base 2 of 8x cubed over y. Use the quotient property first. Then split the product 8x cubed. Log base 2 of 8 is 3, and log base 2 of x cubed becomes 3 log base 2 of x. The expanded result is 3 plus 3 log base 2 of x minus log base 2 of y. Condense 2 log x minus log 5 plus log 3. The coefficient 2 becomes a power, giving log of x squared. Addition becomes multiplication and subtraction becomes division, so the expression condenses to log of 3x squared over 5. Your turn. Simplify log 10, 1000. Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Product inside a log becomes addition outside. Quotient inside a log becomes subtraction outside. A power inside a log becomes a coefficient. A sum inside a log cannot be split. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.